Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2012 model Case SR220 that we have for sale. Has 1,600 hours on it, 82 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine, operating load of 2,200 pounds, tipping load of 4,400 pounds. It's just a really super nice machine. Has awesome set of tires on it. Just everything about it is just really clean and nice. It has joystick controls. You have your choice of the style of joystick controls that you want. You can change it back and forth from having the cat controls, or you can have it switch it over to use the case controls. It's got auxiliary hydraulics with the electric plug-in, and it's just a real solid, nice machine. And I'm gonna have my son demonstrate it for you right now. By the way, we have shipping available anywhere in the United States. You can see all of the skid steers that we have for sale by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com. Again, our website is texasskidsteer.com. Notice how tight that machine is. No play and pushes. It's just a really nice machine. You can reach us by phone by calling 817-220-0100. Again, that's 817-220-0100. Look at all of our skid steers for sale at texasskidsteer.com. Remember, we've got fully insured shipping. So give us a call. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.